Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will learn how to handle missing value in our customer datasets using Python and Pandas. This is one of the most important steps in any data cleaning process. If you know you have not watched my previous video on how to prepare your Python Jupyter Notebook and how to import your library to carry out your data analysis process, try and check the description of this video to watch the previous video, and the data set for this video is also available in the description. So let's proceed. We have two methods of handling data missing value in our data sets. We have the removing the non-value, that is dropping the missing value in our data sets. So this first method is used to drop rows with missing value completely. This is useful when we have large data sets and few empty rows won't affect your analysis. But in this video, we'll be using the option 2, which is filling our data sets with value such as mean and mode. So let's quickly get started. With our mean. So for our numeric column like our age, we replace the missing value with our mean, which represents the average age of all the variables in our customer data set. So let's quickly get started. So this is our data variable. Then we'll copy, then you paste in your data, then you paste dot fill. Now this is a Python function for filling our variable. Of our age dot mean. So this is the code for filling our numerical variable. So we shift and enter. So you can see we have found the code. You can see that there is no error here. So you can see that our code is perfect. So this code calculates the mean of the age column and replace all the missing entry with the value. So it is safer and clean way to fill missing value in our data without getting any error in our Pandas package. So let's quickly check and confirm. You can see this our column now is settled. We don't have any missing value in our data sets under this our age column. So let's quickly move forward now. So now the age column now is completely clean. There is no missing value in our column. Now filling our text column with mode or custom text. So we'll be filling our text column with the mode or custom text. So we'll be filling our country and our mail column, because here we have 10 null value there. So we'll be doing so now by filling it right away. Let me clear all this. Clear all this. Let me clear all this. So for text column like male or country, we can't use mail. We cannot use our mail. Instead, we use either a placeholder or a mode, which is the most common value in our column. So our data, our mail, we copy it, and this is equals to our data dot read now. So we are using custom text, which is not provided. You can see. Then for the country, then you can come up, copy the country column, then you paste, goes to our data, then you paste, then free now. Our data, now country column, we paste dot mode. So we're using the mode here. Then open and close your parentheses. Country dot mode, can see. So these are our text column that we have in our data set. So we can run our code now and see the output. So you can see it's run perfectly. There is no error here. So you can see. So here, any customer without email now gets not provided, and any missing country is replaced with the most common country found in a data set. This keep our data realistic and avoid empty feed. So now let's confirm that we have handled all the missing value correctly and completely in our data set. So our data dot isnull dot sum. So you can see our data set is perfectly clean. So all the columns are now clean, no missing value remaining. That means our data set is ready for analysis or visualization process. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel and comment below. Thank you so much.